All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about moving this industry towards more specialized technician. A lot of technicians sit there and talk about the coming EV revolution is going to put most techs out of work. Do I believe that? No. Will it severely punish those that flush? Yes, because there's a lot less to flush on an EV. So I'm going to put some of my own opinion into this video, and I'm sure I'll get reactions from it, but do I think EVs are the future? Not until our infrastructure in the United States is able to handle the population with EV. All you gotta do is look at bad storms that hit Texas where power grids were going out. California already has brownouts happening all the time because they don't have the infrastructure to support what they already have. And that's the fastest growing part of EV is California. My personal opinion is hybrids, specifically hydrogen-based hybrids, will probably be where we go. I could be 100% wrong. We could be EV in 40 years. I don't know. Future will determine that. As the industry moves more towards that kind of business model where there's less maintenance and much more repairs. That's the one thing that everybody doesn't talk about is batteries needing to be replaced, motors needing to be replaced. There's a lot more heavy line style repairs that are needed on these EVs as they age. Until EVs come down considerably in price, look at the aftermarket, rebuilding industry for Teslas. All you gotta do is look at that market. You can see that there's still a lot of cars being rebuilt, even though you can go out and buy a new one, as just an example. I do think it will push our industry more into specialized role. When it comes down to it, you're gonna need the guys that can remove and install batteries, motors, etc. like that. Also gonna need the high level diagnostic guy. Still gonna need the lower end techs that, do tires. We all know EVs use less brakes, but they tend to chew through tires. You're gonna be a lot more tire techs needed because they're gonna chew through tires. We know that. As this industry continues to move in that direction, I think we're gonna see a much more specialized technician model than we do currently. As those EVs start becoming everywhere, as the hydrogen technology starts coming into the industry, I think you'll see a kind of shift. We've already seen it in this industry where there's specialty shops just for hybrids. Yeah, there's shops out there that work on Teslas and they're work on regular EVs. I do think there'll be a shift and a lot of specialty shops will come around to deal with those specialty cars, and you'll see specialty technicians working at those places. Lucia's Garage, whatever her new name is, started working on, hybrids back in the day. Now she's EV hybrid, whatever. I think we'll see a lot more of that stuff coming in. I see where shops will either expand to work on both and have specialty technicians on those kind of cars. But I do see that is where our industry is going. It's going more to specialized technicians. As those technicians, you need to be trained for it. 20, 30 years, I won't be in this industry, but a lot of the young kids coming into this industry will be. So it's a good thing for this industry to become more specialized. As you become a rarer commodity, the better you are in the job market. So overall, I think that's a good thing that's coming to this industry. Is it coming right now? No. This is not something that's going to happen next week. This is going to happen in several years. As that happens, the pay and working environment will improve. Just a little peek into my mind on how I think the future of this industry is going. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.